Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, second chapter, numbers and sequences. Already I have completed 6 exercise, 7th exercise I am doing, second sum I will continue in this class. Write the first 3 terms of the GP whose first term and the common ratio are given below. So A and R is given. We are asked to find the first 3 terms of the GP. We know that Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 is the formula to find the terms. So since they are asking us to find first 3 terms, so we will find T1, T2 and T3. So we know that Tn, first sum will do, Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. AR power n minus 1 or A into R power n minus 1. So first we will find T1, n is equal to 1. So that is T is equal to T1, n is equal to 1. T1 we will find. A is given as 6 and R is given as 3. T is 1 minus 1, that is 0. So anything power 0 is 1. So first term is 6. Okay, then n is equal to 2. T2 we will find. So 6 into 3 power 2 minus 1. So that is 6 into 3 power 1, that is 80. So T2 is 80. Then n is equal to 3. T3 is equal to 6 into 3 power 3 minus 1. So that is equal to 6 into 3 power 2. That is equal to 6 into 3 3s are 9. So 6 9s are 54. So this is T3. So T1 is 6, T2 is 18, T3 is 54. So the first 3 terms are 6, 18, 54. So we are asked to find the sequence of first 3 terms. So first 3 terms are 6, 18 and 54. Then second sum is A is equal to root 2 and R is also equal to root 2. So Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. So if n is equal to 1, T1 is equal to root 2 into root 2 power 1 minus 1. So that is root 2 into 0 we will get, anything power 0 is 1. So T1 is root 2. Okay, then n is equal to 2. So T2 is equal to root 2 into root 2 the whole power 2 minus 1. So that is root 2 into root 2 whole 2 minus 1 is 1. So we will get root 2 into root 2, that is equal to 2. So that is T2. So T1 is root 2, T2 is 2. Then n is equal to 3. So T3 is equal to root 2 into root 2 power 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So that is equal to root 2 into 2 power, that is root 2 power 2. Root 2 whole power 2. Okay, so we will get root 2 into 2. That is root 2 whole power 2 is 2 power 1 by 2 is root 2 into 2. When we cancel this, we will get only 2. So the answer is 2 root 2. So this is T3. So first 3 terms of the given sequences root 2, 2 and 2 root 2. These are the first 3 terms. Okay. Then third sum is Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. So n is equal to 1 first. So T1 is equal to A is 1000 into R power, R is 2 by 5, 2 by 5 whole power 1 minus 1, 0 we will get. So T1 is equal to 1000. First term is 1000. Then n is equal to 2. So T2 is equal to 1000 into 2 by 5 whole power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So that is equal to 1000 into 2 by 5. Anything power 1 we will get the same number. So we will get a fraction here 2 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 2s are 10, 200. So we will get the second term as 400. Second term is 400. Then n is equal to 3. T3 is equal to 1000 into 2 by 5 whole power 3 minus 1. So this is equal to 1000 into 2 by 5 whole power 2 we will get. So that is 2 by 5 whole power 2, that is equal to 1000 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. So this one we will simplify now. So 5 2s are 10, 200 we will get. Then again 5 4s are 20, 40 we will get. So 40 into 2 into 2. So it will be 4 4s are 16 we will get. So we will get 160. So 40 into 2 is 80, 80 into 2 is 160. So this is T3. So we got T1 as 1000, T2 as 400 and T3 as 160 as the first three terms in the given sequence. Okay. So whatever value is given, accordingly we will find T1, T2 and T3. Next sum is, in a GP 729, 243, 81, find T7. We know that Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. So we need first term and the common ratio. These two things we need to find T7. So A is given in the question as 729. And for finding R, R is equal to T2 by T1. Ratio between second term and the first term. So second term is 243 by 729. So 243 3 times, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, 729. So we will get the ratio as 1 by 3. This is the ratio R. So now we will find T7. So T7 is equal to A is 729 into ratio is given as 1 by 3 whole power n is 7 minus 1, n minus 1. So this is equal to 729 into 1 by 3 whole power 6. Okay. So this is 729 into 1 by 3 power 6. We check 729. How many 3's are there? Factors we will find so that it is easy to simplify this. So in 3 table, 3 2's are 6, 3 4's are 12, 3 3's are 9. Then 3 8's are 24, 1. Then 3 27 times. Then 3 9's are, then 3 3's are. See here. So 729 we got it as 3 power 6. So this is equal to 3 power 6 into 1 by 3 power 6. So both can be cancelled here. So we get T7 as 1. We are asked to find T7. So we got T7 as 1. Okay. Next sum is, find X so that X plus 6, X plus 12 and X plus 15 are consecutive terms of a GP. So GP sequence is given as X plus 6, X plus 12 and X plus 15. So these are all the three terms in the three consecutive terms in the GP. So we know that ratio is T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. Since three terms are given, we will find it like this. T2 by all are equal to, since it is given in GP, R is T2 by T1 and T3 by T2. It is equal to R. The ratio will be equal when we compare the two terms. Okay. So T2 is here X plus 12 by T1 is X plus 6 is equal to T3 is X plus 15 by T2 is X plus 12. Now we will simplify this to find the value of X. That only we are asked to find in the question. So X plus 12 into X plus 12 is equal to X plus 15 into X plus 6. Okay. We are cross multiplying this, that's all. So this is of the form A plus B the whole square. So we will use that itself. This one we will simplify. X plus 15 into X plus 6. Okay, so this one is A square plus 2AB plus B square. A is X, B is 12. So A square plus 2AB, 2 into 12 into X. So that is 24X plus B square, that is 144. So when we multiply this, we will get X square plus 15X plus 6x plus 15 into 6 is 90. Okay, so here x squared and x squared will get cancelled. Here we have 24x plus 144. This side we are having 21x. 15x plus 6x is 21x plus 90. So 24x minus 21x is equal to 90 minus 144. So 24 minus 21 is 3x is equal to 144 minus 90 is 54. 144 minus 90 is 54. Since we are having bigger number sign negative, we will get minus 54. So x is equal to minus 54 by 3. So x value we got it as minus 18. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. We are asked to find the value of x. So we got x is equal to minus 18. Okay. So with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.